Hi everyone, welcome back to Staff Nurse Entrance Preparation Model Questions Session 2. If you are new here, मैले usually share गर्ने भनेको nursing related information र medical notes हो. So do hit that subscribe button अनि आज पनि मैले त्यो मोडलकै 50 sets of questions चाहिँ present गर्ने छु related to nursing GK र health. And if you haven't watched session 1, मैले त्यसको link पनि description box मा राखिदिएको छु. Do check it once and let's get started. In Nepal, nursing education program was started in 1948, 1959, 1956, 1972. So the answer is 1956. 1956 मा चाहिँ School of Nursing established गरेको थियो at Surendra Bhawan to provide nursing education in Nepal for first time. Which is the largest exocrine gland of human body? Pancreas, parotid gland, liver, prostate gland. So the answer is liver. Liver चाहिँ largest exocrine gland of human body हो भने thyroid gland चाहिँ largest endocrine gland of human body हो. Mechanism of respiration is based on Newton's law of motion, Boyle's law, law of gravity, Pascal's law. So the answer is Boyle's law. Boyle's law ले चाहिँ के state गर्छ भन्दाखेरि constant temperature मा volume of given mass of gas चाहिँ inversely proportional हुन्छ to the pressure. Which of the following is live vaccine? Tetanus vaccine, pertussis vaccine, diphtheria vaccine, poliomyelitis vaccine. So the answer is poliomyelitis vaccine. तीनटा vaccine हुन्छ, live vaccine, kill vaccine र toxoid vaccine. So poliomyelitis चाहिँ live vaccine भयो भने tetanus र diphtheria vaccine चाहिँ toxoid vaccine भयो र pertussis चाहिँ killed vaccine भयो. Diabetes mellitus is due to deficiency of insulin in body, glucose in body, protein in body, calcium in body. So the answer is insulin in body. यदि हाम्रो बडीमा इन्सुलिनको कमी हुन्छ भने डायबिटिज mellitus हुन्छ. इन्सुलिन चाहिँ प्यानक्रियासले प्रोड्युस गर्छ. Who is the founder of modern nursing? Helen Keller, Henry Dewey, Walt Disney, Florence Nightingale. So the answer is Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale चाहिँ founder of modern nursing हो. Ascorbic acid is the name given to vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D. So the answer is vitamin C. Vitamin C को अर्को नाम ascorbic acid हो. त्यस्तै vitamin A को अर्को नाम भनेको retinol हो र vitamin D को अर्को नाम भनेको cholecalciferol हो. The biggest artery in the body is renal artery, carotid artery, aorta, radial artery. So the answer is aorta. Aorta चाहिँ biggest अथवा largest artery in the body हो भने inferior vena cava चाहिँ largest vein of the body हो. When is International Nursing Day celebrated? March 12, April 12, May 12, June 12. So the answer is May 12. May 12 मा चाहिँ हामीहरूले International Nursing Day celebrate गर्छौं. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days, 140 days, 50 days, 21 days. So the answer is 120 days. RBC को lifespan 120 days हो. WBC को lifespan 13 to 20 days हो भने platelets को average lifespan चाहिँ 8 to 10 days हो. The protective covering between cranium and cerebrum is called dura mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater, cerebrospinal fluid. So the answer is dura mater. Dura mater चाहिँ एउटा tough fibrous membrane हो जसले चाहिँ ब्रेनलाई कभर अप गर्छ. यो चाहिँ protective covering हो between cranium र cerebrum. AIDS is caused by retrovirus, paramyxovirus, rhinovirus, poliovirus. So the answer is retrovirus. Retrovirus ले चाहिँ AIDS cause गर्छ. Measles चाहिँ paramyxovirus ले cause गर्छ. Common cold चाहिँ rhinovirus ले cause गर्छ र poliomyelitis चाहिँ पोलियोभाइरसले कज गर्छ। Each gram of fat yields 1 kilocalories of it, 4 kilocalories of it, 6 kilocalories of it, 9 kilocalories of it. So the answer is 9 kilocalories of it. 1 gram of fat ले चाहिँ 9.1 kilocalories चाहिँ provide गर्छ भने 1 gram of protein र 1 gram of carbohydrate ले चाहिँ 4.1 kilocalories चाहिँ provide गर्छ। The chief function of small intestine is churning up of food, production of hydrochloric acid, absorption of nutrients, reabsorption of water. So the answer is absorption of nutrients. Small intestine को chief function भनेको चाहिँ nutrients absorb गर्नु हो। In thoracic case, there are dotted pairs of ribs 12, 14, 16, 18. So the answer is 12 pairs of ribs. First 7 pairs of ribs चाहिँ true ribs हो अनि 8, 9 र 10 चाहिँ false ribs हो भने 11 र 12 चाहिँ floating ribs हो. Which of the following can prevent goiter? Protein, chlorine, iodine, calcium. So the answer is iodine. Lack of iodine causes goiter. त्यही भएर आयोडिन खायो भने चाहिँ गोइटर प्रिभेन्ट हुन्छ। गोइटर भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? Enlargement of thyroid gland. The word hypertension means a fall in blood pressure, a rise in blood pressure, a fall in rate of pulse, a rise in rate of pulse. So the answer is a rise in blood pressure. Hypertension भनेको चाहिँ rise in blood pressure हो भने hypotension भनेको चाहिँ fall in blood pressure ho. In humans, the sound is produced by epiglottis, vocal cord, tongue, thyroid cartilage. So the answer is vocal cord. Vocal cord ले चाहिँ sound produce गर्छ र vocal cord चाहिँ larynx मा हुन्छ। त्यही भएर हामीहरूले larynx लाई चाहिँ voice box भनेर पनि चिन्छौं। The right lung is divided into 2 lobes, 3 lobes, 4 lobes, 5 lobes. So the answer is 3 lobes. Right lung लाई चाहिँ 3 lobe मा divide गरेको हुन्छ भने left lung लाई चाहिँ 2 lobes मा divide गरेको हुन्छ। Ascaris lumbricoides is also known as roundworm, hookworm, pinworm, whipworm. So the answer is roundworm. Roundworm को अर्को नाम भनेको Ascaris lumbricoides हो। त्यस्तै hookworm को अर्को नाम भनेको Ancylostoma duodenale हो। pinworm को Enterobius vermicularis हो भने whipworm को चाहिँ Trichuris हो। Deficiency of vitamin C causes night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. So the answer is scurvy. Vitamin C को कमीले scurvy हुन्छ, vitamin A को कमीले night blindness हुन्छ, vitamin B1 को कमीले beriberi हुन्छ भने vitamin D को कमीले चाहिँ rickets हुन्छ। Balancing of body is controlled by cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, pons varolii. So the answer is cerebellum. Cerebellum ले चाहिँ tone, posture र balance control गर्छ भने cerebrum चाहिँ center of mental functioning हो जसमा चाहिँ thinking, memory, sense of responsibility, अनि reasoning हरु चाहिँ पर्छ। How many facial bones are there in skull? 8, 14, 24, 32. So the answer is 14. खासमा total bones चाहिँ present in skull भनेको चाहिँ 22 हो जसमा cranium चाहिँ 8 वटा हुन्छ भने facial bones चाहिँ 14 वटा हुन्छ। The outermost covering of eye is sclera, choroid, retina, ciliary body. So the answer is sclera. Sclera चाहिँ outermost covering of eye हो भने middle layer चाहिँ choroid हो र retina चाहिँ innermost layer of eye हो। Cold chain is related to vaccine transport, common cold, disease transmission, chemical reaction. So the answer is vaccine transport. Cold chain भनेको चाहिँ system of storage र transportation of vaccine हो from the site of production to the site of vaccination at low temperature. One who specializes in heart disease is dermatologist, endocrinologist, ophthalmologist, cardiologist. So the answer is cardiologist. Cardiologist भनेको चाहिँ पर्सन हो जो चाहिँ स्किल्ड हुन्छ इन ट्रिटिङ हार्ट डिजिज. त्यस्तै डर्माटोलोजिस्ट भनेको चाहिँ पर्सन हो who focus on diseases and conditions of skins, nails र hair. Endocrinologist भनेको चाहिँ person who is trained in treating conditions that affect endocrine system र ophthalmologist भनेको चाहिँ person हो who is skilled in treating eye diseases. Anterior fontanelle gets ossified at ... months 3 to 4, 12 to 18, 12 to 15, 3 to 9. So the answer is 12 to 18 months. Anterior fontanelle चाहिँ 12 to 18 months मा ossified हुन्छ भने posterior fontanelle चाहिँ 6 to 8 weeks मा ossified हुन्छ. The only movable bone in the skull is maxilla, mandible, ethmoid, sphenoid. So the answer is mandible. Mandible is only movable bone in the skull ho. Mandible is also known as jawbone. Protein in our body is absorbed in the form of amylase, pepsin, amino acid, fatty acid. So the answer is amino acid. Amino acid को रूपमा चाहिँ हाम्रो बडीले प्रोटिनलाई absorb गर्छ. Pituitary gland is controlled by hypothalamus, cerebrum, cerebellum, pons spirally. So the answer is hypothalamus. Though pituitary gland लाई चाहिँ master gland भनेर पनि चिनिन्छ, तर pituitary gland लाई नै control गर्ने चाहिँ hypothalamus हो. Which vitamin is also known as pyridoxine? Vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B9, vitamin B3. So the answer is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 को अर्को नाम भनेको pyridoxine हो. Vitamin B12 को cyanocobalamin, vitamin B9 को folate अथवा folic acid हो भने vitamin B3 को चाहिँ अर्को नाम भनेको niacin हो. Excessive pain leads to which type of shock? Hypovolemic shock, septic shock, anaphylactic shock, neurogenic shock. So the answer is neurogenic shock. Neurogenic shock चाहिँ excessive pain को कारणले हुन सक्छ. Hypovolemic shock चाहिँ rapid loss of blood अथवा body fluids को कारणले हुन सक्छ. Septic shock चाहिँ occurs when sepsis leads to life-threatening low blood pressure. त्यस्तै anaphylactic shock चाहिँ caused हुन सक्छ by allergic reaction. Amount of glucose in oral rehydration solution is 15 gram, 13.5 gram, 17.5 gram, 20 gram. So the answer is 13.5 gram. Oral rehydration solution को total weight भनेको 20.5 gram हो, जसमा sodium chloride चाहिँ 2.6 gram हुन्छ भने glucose anhydrous 13.5 gram, potassium chloride 1.5 gram र trisodium citrate dihydrate चाहिँ 2.9 gram हुन्छ. Function of platelets is clotting of blood, fight against disease, gives color to blood, all of the above. So the answer is clotting of blood. Platelets चाहिँ blood like clot गर्न help गर्छ र bleeding चाहिँ prevent गर्छ. त्यस्तै WBC ले चाहिँ disease सँग fight गर्छ भने RBC ले चाहिँ oxygen transport गर्न help गर्छ. Inheritance of acquired characters was given by Mendel, Darwin, Lamarck, A.Z. Tansley. So the answer is Lamarck. Lamarck is best known for his theory of inheritance of acquired characters. त्यस्तै Mendel is the founder of modern genetics. Darwin is known for his theory of evolution, and A.Z. Tansley is the one who coined the term ecosystem. Mastication means swallowing, passing stool, chewing, passing urine. So the answer is chewing. Chewing लाई चाहिँ हामीले mastication भन्छौं भने swallowing लाई deglutition, passing stool लाई defecation र passing urine लाई चाहिँ हामीले micturition अथवा urination भनेर भन्छौं. Ovulation occurs in proliferative phase, secretory phase, menstrual phase, follicular phase. So the answer is secretory phase. Secretory phase मा चाहिँ ovulation हुन्छ. Which nutrients prevent constipation? Fat, protein, carbohydrate, vitamin. So the answer is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate ले चाहिँ constipation prevent गर्न help गर्छ. 60% weight loss is the typical sign of marasmus, kwashiorkor, anemia, worm infestation. So the answer is marasmus. Marasmus को typical sign भनेको चाहिँ 60% weight loss हो. So marasmus भनेको चाहिँ के हो त? यो चाहिँ form of severe malnutrition हो, characterized by energy deficiency. Injection TT is given dose in pregnancy 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 2 dose. हामीहरूले चाहिँ प्रेग्नेन्सीको टाइममा 2टा डोज अफ टिटी चाहिँ दिन्छौँ. एउटा as soon as pregnancy is known र अर्को चाहिँ फर्स्ट डोज दिएको 4 weeks पछि चाहिँ सेकेन्ड डोज हामीहरूले दिन्छौँ. Fast respiration is called tachycardia, bradycardia, tachypnea, bradypnea. So the answer is tachypnea. Tachypnea भनेको चाहिँ abnormally fast breathing अथवा respiration हो. त्यस्तै bradypnea भनेको चाहिँ abnormally slow breathing हो. Tachycardia भनेको चाहिँ heart rate exceeding normal heart rate हो भने bradycardia भनेको चाहिँ slower than normal heart rate हो. Lifespan of ovum is 24 hours, 48 hours, 36 hours, 72 hours. So the answer is 24 hours. Ovum को lifespan चाहिँ 24 hours हो भने sperm को lifespan चाहिँ 72 hours. Removal of uterus is called hysterectomy, mastectomy, ureterectomy, cystectomy. So the answer is hysterectomy. Hysterectomy भनेको चाहिँ surgical removal of uterus हो. त्यस्तै mastectomy भनेको चाहिँ surgical removal of one or both breast partially or completely हो. Ureterectomy भनेको surgical excision of all or part of ureter हो भने cystectomy भनेको चाहिँ surgical removal of all or part of urinary bladder हो. कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ cystectomy term चाहिँ removal of cyst कोमा पनि युज हुन्छ. The difference between systolic and diastolic pressure is differential pressure, pulse deficit, osmotic pressure. So the answer is pulse pressure. Pulse pressure भनेको चाहिँ systolic minus diastolic pressure लाई चाहिँ भनिन्छ. Richest source of vitamin B1 is egg yolk, unpolished rice, amala, sunlight. And the answer is unpolished rice. Unpolished rice चाहिँ rich हुन्छ in vitamin B1. त्यस्तै egg yolk मा चाहिँ all fat soluble vitamins चाहिँ present हुन्छ, that is A, D, E र K. amala चाहिँ rich हुन्छ in vitamin C, calcium र iron. त्यस्तै sunlight ले help गर्छ in synthesis of vitamin D. How many bones are there in our body? 202, 204, 206, 208. So the answer is 206. हाम्रो human body मा चाहिँ 206 bones हुन्छ भने जब birth भएको हुन्छ नि त्यतिखेर चाहिँ total 300 bones present हुन्छ. Which artery carries deoxygenated blood? एउटा carotid artery, pulmonary artery, renal artery. So the answer is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery चाहिँ एउटा मात्रै artery हो जसले deoxygenated blood carry गर्छ भने pulmonary vein चाहिँ एउटा मात्रै vein हो जसले oxygenated blood carry गर्छ. Which of the following vitamin helps in blood clotting? A, B, D, K. So the answer is vitamin K. Vitamin K ले चाहिँ blood clotting मा help गर्छ. Water soluble vitamin are vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. So the answer is vitamin B. Water soluble vitamin चाहिँ vitamin B र C हो भने fat soluble vitamin चाहिँ vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E र vitamin K हो. Study of tissue is called hepatology, histology, hematology, none. So the answer is histology. टिस्युको स्टडी गर्नेलाई चाहिँ हिस्टोलोजी भन्छ. हेपाटोलोजी भनेको चाहिँ ब्रान्च अफ मेडिसिन हो कन्सर्न्ड विथ स्टडी, प्रिभेन्सन, डायग्नोसिस र म्यानेजमेन्ट अफ डिजिज द्याट अफेक्ट्स लिभर, गल ब्ल्याडर, बिलियरी ट्री एन्ड प्यानक्रियाज. हेमाटोलोजी भनेको चाहिँ ब्रान्च अफ मेडिसिन हो इन्भल्भिङ स्टडी एन्ड ट्रिटमेन्ट अफ ब्लड. That's it for today's session. हामीहरूले चाहिँ 50 sets of question practice गर्यौं of TU model related to nursing, GK र health. In coming Sunday पनि 50 sets of question नै practice गर्नेछौं related to TU model. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do hit that subscribe button. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.